Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techans. So today I will show you how to change your YouTube channel profile picture by using your Android mobile. But there is no special option is available to change the profile picture on your YouTube application. And the only way is you can change your profile picture by using your Google account. So due to the time conception, I directly go to my tutorial. And this is my YouTube channel page. So here I try to press that gear icon for view my profile picture. So now you can see it only shows the channel name, edit option and description. So how to change my YouTube profile picture? So just close this YouTube application and then open your Google application in your Android mobile, and sometime it asks for your login informations. So my newsfeed is ready to use, but in this section you can note one thing. At the top of right side it shows my profile picture, and which is similar to my YouTube channel profile picture. So if you change this Google account profile picture, your YouTube channel page picture is also changed to new one. So how to do it? So just press that profile picture and then go to manage your Google account. So here you can select personal info tab and the second one. So finally I get to the profile picture change option. So here you can press your profile picture icon and then it shows one pop-up. Your profile photo is visible to everyone across Google products. So just press set profile photo. So here I try to upload the one image file from my mobile gallery, and this is that image file. So once you choose your image file, just click to save these changes. So finally my Google account profile picture is changed to new one, and then I try to check my YouTube channel profile picture by accessing the YouTube application. So finally here you can see my YouTube channel profile picture is also changed to new one, and this trick works very smoothly. So this is the way you can easily change your YouTube channel profile picture by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Techans, and thanks for watching.